I'm gonna make this last forever. Don't tell me it's impossible, 'cause I love you for infinity.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So we're back playing Square Bird. So last time we left off, we played a little bit. So we start a new season, season 2, and I don't know why I'm so bad. Let me just. Come on, this is an easy level. So this is season 2. We started season 2 last time, so we're back for another episode. So let's just do this. Make sure, guys, never go too high up or you're gonna hit the roof and then it's gonna be bad. Come on, let's try and get a high score. That was good. And up, 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 up. You can try and go for perfect, which is that you touch the green on the blocks. Then you get perfect, and if you get 3 perfects, you can get like this egg shooting thing that just basically destroys everything in your. And we're back, so let's get this bird. This is gonna be a nice short video, some Square Bird. So I recorded a video of Geometry Dash, so if you guys want to see more Square Bird content, but there isn't any, just go watch the Geometry Dash video. It's very similar to Square Bird, but a bit more complicated. If you guys want. Otherwise, just wait until the next video is posted. Square Bird, because I'm going to do Square Bird every couple of days. Hopefully. So, let's do this. Our score 560. I think our previous higher score was 40,000 or something like that. New bird, lose it. Well, no one commented on the video at the time of recording this video on the previous one saying what kind of bird they want to see. So I'm not going to buy a new bird. If you guys want to see a new bird, then comment that down below. And then if you comment it, then hopefully before recording the next video, I'm going to see the comment. And that's the bird we're going to use for the next video. Let's try just these 3 eggs. Yes, we got the new bird. I guess we'll check out this bird. So let's check him out. Here. It's pretty cool. They have a mask on, red eyes, like a kind of like a night bird, I guess. Pretty cool. I'll take it, I guess. If you guys remember whatever bird you guys want to see, comment down below, and we'll check it out next time. So, do next. See, that's why you never build up too high, otherwise you're gonna hit the top and you're done for. Okay. And this. 1,000 and something. 1,100. That's pretty good score for this time, this game. Oh, that was so close. Did you guys see that? How close that was? We were one higher, we would have been dead. That was close. So, up. Nice, I got a perfect. I don't really need perfect. They're very risky because if you're a little bit too late, then you're gonna hit it. But if you pull it off, and if you're able to get 3 successful perfects, it's worth it. New bird, nah. Let's continue playing. And this. Nice. Go, come on, up. Not too high up. That's always the rule in square bird. Like the rule, don't never dig straight down in Minecraft. That's the rule in square bird. Never go too high up. Oh, that was, oh my god, did you see how lucky that was, guys? I landed perfectly. Got a perfect. That was so lucky. Oh my god, yes, now I got fever. Now that I basically destroy everything, and I don't know what that is, so just let's go back. And this next level. These levels are pretty easy. Perfect, and the perfect. And now we have fever. So now we can just wreck everything in our path. Whew, see, never go too high up or you're dead. Perfect. Another perfect. So we have one perfect. Yeah, we're not gonna have time to get another one. Up. Let's see if we can get to 5,000 score this video. That will be quite good. Perfect. And let's try and get one more perfect. Yes, fever, which means wreck everything in our path. Up, 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 up. And we won this level. Nope. One perfect. Up. Two perfect. And fever. Fever is very useful because it's very hard to die. And up. Let's beat this level and get you 5,000 score, hopefully. Yes. We didn't get to 5,000 score. Hopefully this level will give us 5,000 score. No! We were so close. Well, let's beat this level, guys, and then that's gonna be it for today's video. Oh, that's so sad.